Hey guys, I'm Dupree, and today I'm going to be talking to you about playing position without using spin. And if I'm going to say that, I know I'm going to get a lot of comments about this is spin, you're using spin, blah 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 blah, spin. But spin is right or left English, which throws off aiming in the first place and makes position harder. It's more to think about. And it adds more variables to a shot, which is the last thing you want in pool. Using center top, center, and center low, so top spin with no right or left English, center, or backspin with no right or left English, those are not spins or Englishes. Bottom English is not a thing. Right and left English is a thing. So right and left spin is a thing. Top really doesn't classify as a spin. We don't call that really spinning the ball. So right here, we got 3 balls out on the table. Got the 1, the 5, and the 9. We're going to run them in order. So let's say we have ball in hand. Ball in hand situations. First shot of a rack, if you don't have ball in hand, that's where you're going to probably have to spin the ball. You're going to have to use right or left. But going through where you have a ball in hand situation, you want to look at your layout and find what's the easiest way. And the easiest way will be without using spin. So just with a little bit of bottom, we're able to slide our cue ball over. And then, without using any spin, using center, maybe a little bit of high, we're able to let that angle do our work for us. And that's what pool is all about. Letting the angles do the hard work for you. If you let the angles do the hard work for you and move your cue ball around without you having to do anything, you see how easy that run out is? So like right here, some people in this case will try to put this ball here, low left, spin it back. Yeah, it can work, but this shot is a lot harder than it needs to be. Yeah, you can get out with it. I'm not saying that you can't get out with spin or that it's wrong to use spin. It's just sometimes not the easiest way. And getting to be a better pool player, you have to figure out the easiest ways. And in my opinion, right here, this is the easiest way. Giving yourself an angle, we're just going to use plain bottom. Bring that over. Just like that. And right here, plain just a little bit of top. Letting our angles do the work for us. And that first shot, I didn't really necessarily end up where I wanted to. An even easier way to run that, say the 7 balls over here, 6 balls over here. It's the same layout roughly. This was a little off the rail. So like this. If we get pretty much dead straight on this 7, we can really let those angles do the work for us. So letting angles do the work, really, once you start to know how to just roll balls instead of spinning the crap out of stuff, that's when your game really goes up. A lot of people overspin a ball. Like if you see this shot, you're trying to go from the 6 to the 7, 7 balls down here. You see this, most of the time it's going to get out of control. Yeah, you're going to need to know that shot. Yeah, that shot will come up. Yeah, you should practice that shot. But when you have that little bit of an angle, all you really have to do is just hit slightly below center. Look how easy that is. That was no left spin on that ball. That was all slightly below center. And look where we are now. Dead straight in. Not dead straight in, just a little bit off. But this shot, make that 99 out of 100 times. You're not going to miss that one. So you see the difference between that overspin and then that little punch shot. Yeah, we still hit them both hard. That's not the problem here. If we hit hard with just below center on this shot, hard just below center, we don't have to change our aim at all. If we're aiming hard top right, we're going to have to change our aim. I'm aiming to hit this ball over here now because that right spin. And I still almost missed it. So why would you take the chance throwing off your aim if you can get just as good or not better results doing a simpler shot? I mean, it's common sense if you think about it like that. Why overspin a ball and try to place it perfectly where you can come into a line like this where you can get here, 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 and still be good to make the shot. Anywhere on this shot, anywhere in this box is okay. This is more than half the table. It's like 75% of the table is okay. Even if you, it's not that hard, really. Just to let all your angles do the work for you. Yeah, you're gonna have to take a little bit of extra time. You're gonna have to build it up over time. Best way to start learning to let the angles do the work for you, 3-ball runouts. Not 2, 2's a bit too easy. 3-ball runouts is where it's at. I gotta tell you that. 3-ball runouts is where it's at. Starting with ball in hand, letting all the angles do the work for you. Using no left or right spin. You cannot use left or right spin on any shot in this drill. Well, look how easy it makes running out look. You see Willie Mosconi running 500 balls in straight pull. He never has to shoot a hard shot because he lets his angles work for him. Now, I'm not saying you don't hit them hard. Yeah, rolling balls is a lot easier. In my opinion, I think it's a ton easier. It's not that hard, guys. A ton of people try to overspin it. It's the worst thing I've ever seen. People trying to overspin balls, playing balls into the wrong pocket. Yeah, you may have to play balls in unconventional pockets. That's going to happen. Yeah, you're going to have to play some draw shots. Like right here, if you're comfortable with this, center draw. Just learn how to control it. Stun. Bringing it over for that side pocket. Playing for areas where you can land in a really big space and still be in good shape to make the ball and get on your next ball. That's how you really elevate your game. Playing for big areas and letting the angles do the work for you. Am I saying don't use spin ever? Absolutely not. Do not get me wrong there. You will end up in situations where you have to use spin. But what I'm just saying is make sure before you shoot a shot, make sure that's the best option. Because as you saw with that top spin shot, that was definitely not the best option right there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please click the like button down below. If you want to be notified when I post a new video, you can click the subscribe button, then the bell icon right next to it. That'll just send you an email and a notification saying that I've uploaded a new video. Thanks again for 60,000 subscribers. This is almost 61,000 now. So share the channel with your friends. Comment what you want to see next, and I will see you in the next video.